Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check Avenza Maps symbols on the Avenza Maps application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three dots at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings button. In the settings section, you can find the manage symbol sets under the map view option. Click that and you can find fourth option. Click to the first, the Avenza Map symbols, and you can find different symbols, and you can turn off and you can turn on. Just click to the next circle icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.